Hi everyone, welcome to another video, and in this video I'm going to unbox this 1x18 diecast model of all new 2020 Land Rover Defender by Almost Real, and this model is the most expensive and detailed model from my collection. So it costed me around $360, so this model is super expensive. So I bought this model through my friend Sarthak. I'll provide his Instagram page link in the description of this video. And the diecast model also comes with these accessories which you can attach to the model through magnets. And I have made a cinematic video on this diecast model. So if you're not already, subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, and let's get started. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want to know more about this miniature diorama house, click the end screen video on the left. So thanks for watching. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.